Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your CMG mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in CMG mortgage login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the link where it says CMG mortgage login. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your login credentials. So go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password. After entering your password, if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. And if you want to save your username, you can click on this check mark. After that, click on the checkbox where it says I agree to user terms and privacy policy. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on this link to register for a new account. And in case if you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on the respective link to recover it. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.